Sunroof first. Ooh, sunroof. And then we'll zoom in for the location. Where are we going? Driver and navigator.
Left yung town of Szentendre.
In 200
We just-
meters, turn right.
Oh, I like the voice.
British accent.
Parang kwanto,
Indian siya.
mga IT to
Indian. Nawala na si ano natin.
Eh, baka
Philippine
ano,
voice.
Kasi robotic siya ba?
Yeah, I think the Indians are better. Turn right ka dito.
Saan pagpasok mo yata?
Papasok ako doon.
Doon ka sa main road. Mag-right.
Oh,
That's wrong.
dito.
Turn right.
With care dito, no?
Care.
With care.
You cannot-
look both sides like.
You cannot be
Just like
uncaring.
somebody kanina na nagtingin na sa kabilang side.
Ganun. Exactly.
I'm not.
Exactly.
Senyas kasi siya eh.
Ay nako.
Baka iba ibig sabihin na sanya sa
Ay.
Have different, ano,
Panahin mo lang kung anong mabilis sila lahat eh.
how far is the next destination, Hannah?
30 minutes.
So maybe around 30 kilometers.
23. Ayan na.
Interesting. Papas only 1 kilometer a minute. Don't go beyond that.
1 kilometer a minute? Kasi
Oh,
magaling yan.
dali lang na to. Straight lang oh. 18
We have
kilometers.
Spar again, no? Spar is everywhere.
Diretso walang 18 kilometers. Saka Martin, mas stop ka na. Wala kailangan nito eh.
Gusto ko marinig yung Indian voice eh.
Wala na siyang ano kasi 18 kilometers. Diretso na.
Ayun po. So, describe mo yung place briefly, Hannah.
What, the place we're going to?
Yeah.
The place we left behind is a coast along the river of
So,
Danube.
the next place we're going to is also along the river. They have historical importance. The exact details I do not know.
What made this town, ano to yung...
But we're still in the best bounty of ano.
We're not in Budapest. And
No, we're not Budapest, we're in the pest bounty. Because
Bounty o county?
County. Sorry. Ano ako eh, bounty hunter.
Diretso natin ito. Punta na tayo ng ano, Vienna.
Go to Vienna na. Parang luggage natin, di ba natin?
Yun na yung paano yun.
Bili tayo bago lahat.
There na natin.
What if we steal the car na lang all the way?
Got there piling stones, pebbles for the fence. Interesting. Freeze.
$17 kilometers?
Ito lang road mo.
Wow.
We're right beside the river eh.
We're following yung river, no?
Can I turn this off now?
Okay.